welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here as always. So we are here today to do, I would say, the most difficult so far modification for the truck, which is the bar light. I told you I would do. I don't know how long it's gonna take. We'll see. I will share everything with you guys, all the tools I need, which kind of bar light I got, every single step. Bear with me. That all depends when I'm gonna add it, but that can be a long video, but bear with me. I'll try to make it as clear as possible so you guys can understand, because to be fair, I was trying to find something online to help me, and so far I found one video and the quality was okay, but anyway, I will try my best. You guys saw the last cold air installation that I had some trouble with. That's how you learn and then you apply for the new things. So without further ado, let's do it. First thing we need to do is run through our tools and make sure we have all the things we need, kind of inventory if you will, with the parts. So I got the truck in the garage already, but that's not the first part. The first part will be all the tools. I kind of put everything that I might need together. I'm not sure yet. I'd rather have things here and then if I need it, it's already here. Another thing I noticed we're gonna need it. I put a blank right there because once I remove the bumper, I don't want to scratch. I don't want to do anything, so I put in there. I think those are the tools that we're gonna need. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the bar light and we're gonna open the bumper mounts, which should be really simple, straightforward, but I'm gonna make sure we got everything we need before we start. So I opened the box. So actually you got two boxes. One is for the bar light, which I got the Rough Country 30-inch LED bar light. Bear with me because at the end of this video I'm gonna share everything, how much I paid, what you need to buy and everything. But basically I got the 30-inch LED bar light and the bump mount for 2015 up. So if you have 2014, they probably have a different one for that. So basically what we have, it's all the bar lights itself, all the cables. Unfortunately, if you read the instructions, they don't have like the inventory to see what it comes with. I work my way on it and we will see. I will see how long it's gonna take. Now it's roughly 10:45 in the morning and we'll see how long that takes. I think the worst part is gonna be removing the bumper. We need to cut those parts, which I don't even know how I'm gonna do it. So the bar light's gonna fit right in here. The first thing we need to do, we need to remove the bumper, all right? Here are the instructions for the bumper, the mount bumper, which is the first step we need to do. It's very straightforward, like it's very well explained, but we will figure it out. We will find out. So to be honest, guys, I'm kind of afraid, but I will do it. I will do it. I will do just for you, all right? Can you believe they have 28 steps? So ready? Let's go. Okay, first step, we need to remove all those 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are torque 15. So step 2, there are 2 bolts underneath. Unfortunately, I don't have a jack. That's not gonna stop me. So you have to come underneath of the truck and there's this bolt here. Step 3, you have to remove all the fender flares here, so you have access to that. You know what I'm saying? You have some bolts in here. So I'm not gonna show you guys that, because that's very simple, straightforward. I will show you when I'm done. Okay, boys. So what you have to do, you have to remove all those bolts, and then there are 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, all the way there. You have to remove that one. So, and then unplug your fog lights. And the same for same for the other side. Remove the flame flares, and 1, 2, 3. So it should be good.
8 hours later.
Okay, just one update. The instructions are 90% right, so you have to remove all those bolts, like, so the flame flares can be loosed, and here it's kind of, you know, those you need to be loosened. There's another 7 millimeters here that you need to remove. So anyway, just remove everything from here, so you should be good to go. I don't think there's anything else, but so let's remove the bumper. Okay boys, I have a little problem because I don't have the right tool. Let me see if you guys can see. There's a bolt right there. Unfortunately, my extension doesn't hit. So what I'm gonna do, one of the things you need to do, you need to cut all those plastic. I think I can leave the last one, so just for like kind of finish. But because I don't have the right tool, I'm gonna do that right now, so I can my hand can hit that bolt right there. All right. So I'm gonna use like a regular knife. It's really easy to cut. I just wanna make sure it's like well cut. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure your knife is really sharp. It should be good. The good thing about cutting right now is because the bumper it's not loose. So the instruction doesn't say that. I'm just saying the way I'm doing, and we're gonna see if that's gonna work or not.
One eternity later.
Alright boys, finally the bumper is off. I think the hardest part is because you have two bolts right here, you see, and it's really hard to reach with the bumper on. I mean, it's not hard, it's just because I don't have the right tool. My extender is not enough, but just make sure you have one before you do it. Other than that, here's the bumper. As I said to you guys, you have to cut. I cut, it's very smooth. I don't think I would need to cut those. We will see. Now, the next step, we have to remove crash bar because the mount is gonna fit in there, all right? Crash bar is out. Now, you normally use the factory bolts to attach the mount on the truck. So basically that should fit perfect. And then I think the worst part is almost done. I think that's the beauty of this mount. So if you just put in here like this, see, should fit like a glove. So, and then what we have to do, just use the factory bolts to attach the crash bar back on, and yeah, you know, you align the bolts with the crash bar and the bar light mount. So it so far looks good. I'll tie those bolts, and we see. I think now it's time to put the light bar. I'm kind of tired, but it's looking good. I'm super dirty, but yeah, just showing you guys how is I think that's the main part of getting a bar light. Is definitely the mount. So it's really solid. As you guys can see, it's not going anywhere. Now it's time to work on the bar light, attach the bar light, and then after that put the bumper back on, which I believe is gonna be another hard part of this project. Here's the bar light, and you're gonna notice if you get the same one I did, it comes with a lot of bolts, and I think those things are to adjust like the angle. But for us, because I got those mounts that we just installed, we're not gonna need it, I believe. We're just gonna need those 2 bolts that is gonna attach on the side of the bar light. And what comes with it, it's the bar light itself, all those kinds of bolts. If you have a different kind of truck, you can read the instructions. Here they show you how to mount the angle thing. We'll see, I don't believe you're gonna need it. And the harness, they attach with the sweets here, which I'll show later better, but just to let you know what it comes with. But I believe we're just gonna use those bolts. We'll see. Damn, look at that fitment though. Yeah. That's the light bar, boys. That's how you get done. As I said, look at this. It's perfect. So you know, you can't adjust the angle. It's just because I tied it. I will adjust better later. But look at that. It's perfect. I love those. Looks clean. We'll see when we put the bumper back on. But just to give you guys an idea how that looks like. Yep. Easy to install, I mean, so far. So now I'm gonna work with my harness and make sure everything looks good and clean, and we will see.
1 eternity later.
Okay, boys, took me, I would say 25 minutes to 30, because I wanted something super clean. And I will show you guys, because that's the part I didn't find at all online. Is working. I'm make sure that it's safe and working before I put the bumper on. So basically the harness comes from the light bar, which from here you can see a better fitment, and then you can adjust later because the bumper is gonna stay here kind of thing. And I ran the wires through here. I zip tie with the fog light harness, and we'll go all the way up there, going straight up from here, from there. See that new harness, you can see, and then you attach to the battery. That's very simple. Positive, red on positive, black on negative. So that's very simple and easy to do. But I was having a hard time how to put inside of the cab. So what I did, remove the fender flares, and I don't know if you guys want to be able to see it, but the cable, the harness is running up from there to here. I went all the way down, and I don't know if you guys remember when I installed the popping lock, I had to drill a hole here. So that's the same hole I'm using. So of course I'm gonna seal with silicone or anything. You see here, that's what that's the wire from the pop and lock, and that's for the light bar. So it's going all the way here, and you can put them back in there, and the switch here. So it's clean, it's good, I love it. So you know, you don't even notice in there, and if you turn it on, it's working. See there? There you have, guys. I'm gonna close everything, and I hope you guys like it, because dude, oh, it's falling. To be honest, I don't think this tape is gonna be enough. I probably need to put a new one anyway, like a stronger one. I hope you guys like it. So let's close everything up, because that's gonna be another huge job, and I'll talk with you guys in a second. Yeah, boys, that's it. The bar light is finally installed. Dude, I'm super excited. It looks super clean. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at that fit, man. Dude, super cool. Man, I'm happy. So it took me about like 3 hours and a half, 4 hours to do it. I think the worst part is definitely removing and putting the bumper back on. But other than that, it's very straightforward. The switch is here. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So let me talk about price. So I got everything from Rough Country website. 30-inch LED bar light single roll, $219. For the brackets was another $49. Total is $269. There you go. You can have everything for $269. I'll leave in the link on the description below. I'm not sponsored for Rough Country. If you guys want to send me something, I really appreciate it, but so far it looks so good as you guys can see it. If you stick it around, I will show you a clip at night just so you guys have idea how it is. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are here for the first time, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. This is just the first huge modification, I would say, for the truck. I love to do things by myself. You are always welcome to leave your comment below if you have any questions. I will glad to answer. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Go get yours. It's really fun. It's worth it. Make your truck look so much better. And as always, don't forget, enjoy your life. Alright, boys, the test at night is without the light bar. And the light bar on, off, on, off, on. Okay, boys, the bar light. How sick is that? How sick is that? With the dial dynamics and everything else, how sick is that?